Hello, good morning and welcome back to our My Trucking Life. We are just at the yard now. We're just about ready to start the day. We've just done our checks, and after a 5-minute fight with my car key that had worked its way underneath my drawer in the middle of the truck, we're on our way to pick up our trailer, and our Steve's in nice and early as well. It's just gone 5 o'clock. I say nice and early, but it's not that early really. When you look at some other lorry drivers, they're up way earlier than this, day in, day out. Anyway, we have bagged that ramp load that we collected in yesterday's vlog, or the previous vlog to you guys, and we're simply going to be heading up to Scunthorpe with it. It's far too dark at the moment to show it you all, but hopefully when we get up there in about 2.5 hours, there'll be space for me to show you what we got on before they take it off. So we've got about 2.5 hours now. We're going to get the trailer on, get ourselves our cup of coffee. We've got it all ready here, just need to add water. And let's get this show on the road, shall we? 124 miles to be precise. I just want to welcome all of the new subscribers to the channel again. It's fantastic seeing the growth lately. Up to 3,800 subscribers now. So here's to 4K, guys. Here's to 4K. We've got loads of previous content for you to check out. A few little hints and tips along the way. A lot of liquid incidents, because I am prone to spilling up. To spilling up almost anything. So I'm just looking whether to go across to the A38, or at this time of morning whether it's just worthwhile just going look at me, whether it's just worth going straight to the 42 and all the way up. Now we're just gonna go up across towards Cannock, around the A5 and up the A38. The gods are planning on sending me into Carlton or somewhere to get some bricks on the way home. So depending on how the day goes, we'll maybe have to go and tip the bricks, and then that's either us done for the day, or we'll head over to the house factory. So a pretty faultless run up so far. It's 17 more miles to go, and it's a rather, I'm not going to say dull morning, but it's pretty overcast and hazy. So there hasn't been much eye candy in terms of a glorious sunshine and sunrise, but the main thing is that it has risen. That's all I'm bothered about. Someone's had an unfortunate start to the morning, breaking down on the side of the road there. I hope the day gets better. Oopsie daisy. He's done well to spin it so soon after the roundabout. He mustn't have been going too fast. Yes guys, so we're on site down in Scunthorpe, and Here we have our ramp. If you didn't already see it yesterday, check out the previous vlog where we got her loaded up at the end. And we just put 4 straps around her, got her choked at the back, or strangled, whatever you want to term it. And we're just waiting for them to arrive now to get it took off. Unfortunately we was here quite early, but fortunately for me it means we've got a break in. So we're going to get the kettle on, get ourselves a cup of coffee, and hang on another 20 minutes or so until they arrive, and then we'll get this off and probably head down to Nottingham Way for some bricks. Okay guys, 10 o'clock and we're empty now. We're not going to load any bricks. We're going to pick up some timber, I believe, from Keedby. It's a lovely little place, if I remember correctly. It's along the side of the River Trent. And yes, it should make for a bit of nice, pleasant viewing, nice scenery. And we go across a really narrow bridge. So we're on the A1, oh, forget the name, A18 I think it is. It just says Kingsway now, coming out of Scunthorpe. And I remember having to divert across this bridge, and if 2 lorries meet, it's rather tight. I think I met a coach. But God, that's going back, this is going back a long time. Look at that Volvo. It's absolutely stunning. Pretty customised, I reckon. Right, so we can't turn left anyway, which we don't want to do. We're going to go right over this bridge. Looks like a drawbridge, one that lifts up in the air to allow the big ships over. And we're going to take it nice and easy, because I don't want to be catching... There is someone coming. Don't want to meet this guy on the bridge, although we're going to be on the corners. Yeah. Oh, put your ears in, Cinders. Get your tin hat on. Oh, the train's coming over as well. Well, there you go. I didn't know it was a train bridge as well. Okay, take off your tin hats. We made it. I was stopping there to wait for the lorry to come down, so making it a bit awkward, but the car decided to wait for us as well. So rather than sitting there feeling rather awkward, we had to make a move and go for it. Oh. The River Trent, everybody. We've been and booked in, and there's a gentleman just booked in front of us going into load now. There in the distance you can see the bridge. I will try and research it and find out what the bridge is called and pop it in a subtitle down below. And isn't it just tranquil as ever? Beautiful. We'll have a quick 15 minutes break here while that guy goes and loads. We're on top of Cinders at the moment, so she doesn't need a wipe over it. She's nice and clean, and the weather's good as well. So with any luck, she'll still be clean when we get back later. I had to wipe a couple of flies off her, but that's about it. But here is another beautiful bit of English heritage, eh? Obviously it's a tiny bit overgrown now because it Probably doesn't work very often anymore. But yes, spurring off, you've got a big lock here. It's got to be at least 18 foot wide, I'd say. Well, maybe 15 foot, I don't know. I'm not familiar with the terms. But it's wide enough for that big barge there to come through, I can imagine. And it's nice to just spare a bit of a thought to what this place used to be. A hive of activity, ships coming in and out all the time. So, that is Keedby, everybody. It's nice to be able to get out and have a quick walk around and have a look where we are. Because normally we just see things at 56 miles an hour and it's like, oh, that's nice. That's nice. But occasionally, like today, you get 10 minutes or 5 minutes just to have a little wander round and take in the scenery. Hope you've enjoyed that little insight into Keedby. Come on, Cinders, take the strain, level your bags out, and let's get going, shall we? Nice, quick, easy load. And we're out of here in less than half an hour. Awesome. I think it's 3, 6, 12, 18 packs of timber altogether. Nice, now we just got to trundle on over the bridge, get ourselves booked out, and then get back down to Wolverhampton. We're actually delivering to a place where young CJACEY had his first work experience in year 10. And yeah, it was pretty cool. He got to do all the bit of warehousing, bit of accounting, you know, just a general dog's body around the site, and it gave me an insight into how the company worked and what goes into running these kind of warehouses and builders, merchants. And as you can see, I don't work there now. But yeah, I'm pretty confident they're not going to be able to allow me to film the unloading process and things like that. So what I'm going to do, go back there, get unloaded, and then probably head to the yard and call it quits for the day. I'll end the vlog here, so if you're hearing this now, thank you all for watching, guys, and I shall speak to you all in the next one. Who knows what we're going to be doing, but I'm sure you'll be with me. And seeing us out in style today, we have this gorgeous setup here being escorted onto the M18. Absolutely huge, some sort of piling equipment or something. Yep. Explore with a 8x4 or whatever it is. Mercedes. Beautiful outfit. I recognise the guy, I think, from Trucks with Pride too, so he'll be pleased to see us out today. Let me know what you think. Shall I try and do this regularly? Shall I try and put like a, I don't know, a bit of a special vehicle of the day or something like that at the end of the vlogs? Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all next time.